Yes, here the next topic in the unit 20, that proteins. Okay, here a proteins are next classification of a nutrition. A protein we know very well, yeah. Protein is essential for a essential nutrition in a body growth. The body growth க்கு ஒரு essentialana nutritions பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா protein. In case a building block of a body கூட சொல்லுவாங்க. They are essential for a growth and reappear of some cells reappears in case any undo illa injuries o edara vanduchanaka proteins are help to reappearing of muscles. And next one, a protein is made up of an amino acid. They say a protein is made up of amino acids. அப்போ amino acids உடைய combination of molecules தான் என்னது a protein. Here essential amino acids, essentialana amino acids எல்லாமே biosynthesized by our body, must obtained by our diet. சில synthesize அதாவது amino acids எல்லாமே நம்ம பாடியால synthesize பண்ண முடியாது. Through our food only we have to take an amino acids. Here they are given a 9 essential amino acids. How many essential amino acids pa? 9 essential amino acids. Just have to list out the 9 essential amino acids. The first one, phenylalanine. N-I-N-E. Phenylalanine. Okay. And next one, valine. What is the next one? Valine. And here a next one, threonine. And next one is the tryptophan. And next one is methionine. Just have to start here. And next one is leucine. And next one is isoleucine. And next one is lysine. What is the next one? Lysine. And next one is hecitine. What is the next one? Histidine. Okay, ma. So this is the what? And 9 essential amino acid. Let me see there one by one. What are the 9 essential amino acids? What is the major function for that? Here we already say amino acids. Appo amino acids na enna? That is organic components. Okay, organic components, they are combined in the form of proteins. The organic components ellame eppadi irukku? Just they are combined in the form of protein in our body. Let me see the one by one. First one, here a first one is phenylalanine. Phenylalanine அப்படினா என்னன்னு பார்த்தானாக்கா, they just act as a precursors of tyrosine. Where we are saying tyrosine. Tyrosine is a kind of hormone. They are secreted epinephrine, non-epinephrine ரெண்டு hormones secrete பண்ணுதுப்பா. Just they are act in the condition of emergency situation and neurotransmitter ஆவும் work பண்ணும். Okay வா? And here they are mostly phenylalanine are found in the breast milk. Where it is found pa? In breast milk la da found ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, here this is not in your book. Just know that what is the meaning for this proteins. Okay, here a first thing is what? Phenylalanine. They are precursors. அதாவது தைமோசினுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு செக்ரீட் ஆகிற ஹார்மோன்ஸ் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா phenylalanine. Okay, what kind of protein? Here they are present in a breast milk. Okay, and next one, valine. Valine இருக்கு இல்லையா? This is a kind of alpha amino acids ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. What is the name? This one, alpha amino acid. Okay, their body cannot synthesize or naturally. Okay, body ஆல synthesize பண்ண முடியாது. Just they are taken through the food. நம்ம food மூலமா தான் எடுத்துக்க முடியும். Okay, and next one, threonine. What is the next one? Threonine. Here this is an amino acid. They are most of the amino acids. This is a threonine helpful for their growth and functioning of immune system. Immune system, they are fight against the disease and கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? So immune systemத்துக்கும் most of the protein is threonine. Okay, and next one what is the next one? A tryptophan. Here a tryptophan is an amino acid. இதுவும் growth குதாமா. Here a growth of infants. Infants na, there is a baby. Okay, infants and not only that, here they are helpful for the growth of adult. எப்படின்னா நைட்ரஜன் பேலன்ஸ் மெயின்டைன் பண்றது அடல்ட்ல. ஓகே, அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் மித்தைனனைன். சாரிப்பா, மித்தியோனைன். Okay, here a methionine, that there is also an amino acids. Here a unique sulfur contain amino acids சொல்லுவாங்க. They contain a what? Unique sulfur contain amino acids சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, and next one leucine. What is the next one? A leucine. Here a leucine, they are most of them are used for a medicinal field டேப்லெட்டாக எடுத்துப்பாங்க. What is a major cure பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா cold and sore throat-க்கு they are used in that. Okay, cold and sore throat-க்கு. Okay, and next one they are given a isoleucine. Okay, here a isoleucine, they are also helpful for the growth of a child ஓட growth-க்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குமா இந்த protein. Okay, child growth of a child. And next one they are given a lysine. What is the next one? A lysine. Here a lysine, sorry pa, here this is not a leucine work. Here a lysine is used for a medicine, is a cold ko sore throat ko use பண்றது. And here a lysine ஓட main work பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா skeletal and muscles growth-க்கு they are useful for that. Okay, leucine வந்து எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகிறாங்க? skeletal and muscles growth. Okay, and next one here last one histidine. Okay, that is the last one. Histidine is a non-essential amino acid. The same infants oda growth dama, that is a child growth ko they are useful for the protein. So that's it for a protein. I hope you have to understand that what is a protein. Let me move on next one. Next we are having a, and here the next nutritional classification is a fat. Okay, here a fat, they provide a energy. Most of fat na, they provide a energy, and not only that, they are maintain a cell structure also. If you have seen skinல 3 layers இருக்குல்ல, epidermis இருக்கு, dermis இருக்கு, and hypodermis. Okay, and here this hypodermis is a contain of fats. They are only provide a structural shape to the cells, and not only that, they are involvement of metabolic functions ஐயும் so they are maintained. Here essential fatty acids என்ன பண்ணாத முடியாது, நம்ம பாடியால synthesize பண்ண முடியாது. So we go for food items. Okay, food items மூலமா தான் we just taken essential fatty acids. Here they are in the form of omega fatty acids சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, இந்த நியூட்ரிஷன்ஸ்ல human nutritionsல present ஆயிருக்க fatty acids நேம் என்னமா omega fatty acids. Okay, so that's it for fat. I hope you have to understand that what is a fat. We are complete our today topic. We will continue the next one, vitamin and minerals, in the next class. Just copy all the things in your observation note, and I give some homework to you. Copy that in your classwork and submit to your school app. Okay student, thank you. We'll see the remaining topic for our next class. Thank you.